Dear friends, you are welcome to our YouTube channel eGuardian India. Today we are discussing 50 important multiple choice questions with answers of digital logic design. Please like the video and share with your friends on social media. Also subscribe our channel. Let's start the video. Question number 1. In one's complement, all dash bits are complemented and represented along with the sign bit. Right answer option C, binary. Question number 2. Asynchronous counters are also called as. Answer option B, ripple counters. Question number 3. How does the transistor represent offset? Answer option A, 0. Question number 4. The dash system is a collection of numbers to represent quantifiable information. Answer option B, number. Question number 5. The invention of which of the following triggered the use of the binary number system? Answer option D, transistor. Question number 6. Which of the following tables can be used to improve the Boolean identities? Answer option C, truth tables. Question number 7. A simple memory unit is known as. Answer option A, flip-flop. Question number 8. Truth tables or other identities can be used to prove the Boolean dash. Answer option B, identities. Question number 9. In whose honor the basic rule for simplifying and combining logic gates are called Boolean algebra? Answer option B, George Boole. Question number 10. Asynchronous counters are slower because. Answer option A, ripple clocking delay. Question number 11. Which of the following systems are defined by Boolean expression? Answer option C, digital. Question number 12. Who developed the information theory? Answer option B, Shannon. Question number 13. When were the Karnaugh maps developed? Answer option C, 1953. Question number 14. Multiplexers are known as. Answer option A, data selectors. Question number 15. A dash expansion can be simplified using the identities and laws of Boolean algebra. Answer option B, mean term. Question number 16. Boolean operations and arithmetic can be implemented using Boolean dash functions. Right answer option C, logic. Question number 17. Circuits whose output depends on both past and current inputs are known as dash circuits. Answer option B, sequential. Question number 18. How many 1-bit input is accepted by full adder to generate sum and carry outputs? Answer option C, 3. Question number 19. The approach used for designing an adder can be used to design a dash. Answer option B, subtractor. Question number 20. A set of Boolean functions can be used to implement a dash circuit. Answer option B, adder. Question number 21. When both the inputs to an NOR get are low, the output will be dash. Answer option B, high. Question number 22. In a transistor, switching happens in dash. Answer option A, nanoseconds. Question number 23. In which year flip-flop was invented? Right answer option A, 1918. Question number 24. Most of the data processing logic works on set of dash together. Answer option B, bits. Question number 25. When was a shift register built? Right answer option B, 1940s. Question number 26. What does SISO stands for? Answer option A, serial input, serial output. Question number 27. CPU of a computer works on which of the following bits is stored in the registers? Right answer option A, data. Question number 28. The basic gates are answer option B, and or not. Question number 29. Inputs to the shift registers can be serial or dash. Answer option C, parallel. Question number 30. A Johansson counter is also called the dash. Answer option B, walking ring counter. Question number 31. A Johansson counter is constructed using which of the following shift register? Answer option C, SISO. Question number 32. A ring counter can be constructed using dash. Answer option A, SISO. Question number 33. Which of the following is not used in implementing counters? Right answer option D, signals. Question number 34. Many user applications require counter outputs in the form of decimal digits in place of dash format. Answer option D, binary. Question number 35. A dash is a device that can be used to either establish or remove, also called make or break, connections between at least 2 points in an electric or electronic circuit. Right answer option B, switch. Question number 36. What does GAL stands for? Answer option B, get array based logic. Question number 37. Which of the following is not a property of metallic contacts? Answer option A, high resistance. Question number 38. Name the component that helps the contacts to physically touch and separate. Answer option B, actuators. Question number 39. What does SPST stands for? Right answer option A, single pole contact, single throw movement. Question number 40. A fixed resistor could dash the variable resistor. Answer option B, replace. Question number 41. The concept of fallback is used in which type of modem? Answer option B, high speed modem. Question number 42. Which of the following is an example of external modem? Answer option A, data cards. Question number 43. Which of the following is not a modem? Right answer option D, TV modem. Question number 44. A system which is having 10 symbols from 0 to 9 is called. Right answer option B, decimal system. Question number 45. What does POTS stands for? Right answer option C, plain old telephone systems. Question number 46. An ADC takes in analog dash signal that is to be transformed and it is then sampled into a digital set of values. Right answer option B, continuous. Question number 47. Ideally, the DACs outputs a series of dash which then undergo a filtration by the reconstruction agent. Right answer option A, impulses. Question number 48. Resolution can be defined as dash range divided by the count of distinct intervals. Right answer option D, voltage. Question number 49. A device called dash combines DAC with a memory RAM which stores the conversion tables for contrast, brightness and gamma corrections. Right answer option D, RAMDAC, RAMDAC. Question number 50 and last question. The count of samples that the circuit can generate over a range of analog values is indicated by the measure called dash. Right answer option A, resolution. Thanks for watching the video. If you like it, please share with your friends on social media and subscribe our channel.